Psalm 85 is a prayer psalm for restoration. It's believed that this psalm was written in response to the Jews being released from Babylonian captivity. And it's a prayer for God to act now as God has acted in the past to return the people to the vision of God and God's people at peace. And it ends with the hope that God will fulfill his promise to Israel with regards to the land of Israel. Our land, it says, will yield its increase. So in verse 1, Lord, you have been favorable to your land. You have brought back the captivity of Jacob. You have forgiven the iniquity of your people. You have covered all their sin. Selah. Verse 2 tells us why Israel went into captivity. Because of iniquity and sin. Because they were separated from God. They gave themselves over to idolatry, and they sinned against God. Iniquity is separation from God. The word that is used for sin here is to willfully break God's law. In verse 3, you have taken away all your wrath. You have turned from the fierceness of your anger. Restore us, O God of our salvation, and cause your anger towards us to cease. Will you be angry with us forever?